Welcome back, guys, to our vlogs. Today is another different thing because you are gonna coming with us when we are gonna buy a new daily for myself and my family. It's a really long story, and we are gonna explain it later because I have several heart attacks today. So I had a car in my mind, then I found that, contacted the owner, and it's sold for today. Because we have yesterday talked with the guy, and he said he kept the car for us, but he sold it in the meantime. So replanning, or how to say that, start again. So now we are here on the M3 motorway and trying to go to Budapest, where there is another car, not exactly the same, but the same brand. It's a new stuff for us because we haven't had any kind of cars like this before.
I watched them when I bought my E46 Ti because I really like these cars too.
Yeah, so we talked about it a few times from now, and this will be the first time we are gonna see one in person in this deep, as you say. Maybe we will come with it back home. So I hope so. Fingers crossed for that. Hope there will be no rust at all, or maybe just a little bit. And yeah. Later, when we will arrive there, I'm gonna show you the car around.
A little sneak peek. I bring with me some coolant because some reasons.
Because for some reasons, yeah. Menjünk.
Several days later.
So welcome back, guys, about 3 days later than the last clip you saw. The reason is because we arrived there late, so it was dark. I couldn't show you the car around. So this is the place and this is the time to show the car around. As you see, it's a Subaru Impreza. It's a Hawkeye.
While hawks will not go out of their way to attack and devour a cat.
It's an old wannabe car for us. As you see, my kid is already loving it. So yeah, we thought today would be a good idea to have a Sunday with Danny and the kid and come out to the beautiful view next to us. It's really nice. We had a little time spent here, had fun, eat a good, and yeah. So about the car, it's funny. The smallest engine possible you can get in this chassis. So it's a 1.5 liter boxer engine.
Mini, little, cucumbers.
With 107 horsepower. So it's really tough. Yeah. It's a wagon, as you see. We always wanted a wagon. And I always wanted a Bugeye, but this one is a Hawkeye. This one was an immediate sale, so we thought that it would be bad luck if we leave this car, because all around the car is clean. Every panel of the car is original. There is no paint anywhere on the car. They had some rust issues over there. Here a little bit. We will solve that later, but that's all for the rust, and it's real good. So other than that, 174,000 kilometers. So it's for me it's basically new. It's from 2007, as I mentioned. Not more stuff what I can say, but new rubber on it. It's really good and really sticky. So this will be our new daily, what we are gonna take to places, to go to holidays and go to bigger trips with the family and the friends. So yeah, let me show you the engine bay. Here you see the heart of the car. Not a big deal, but this is our first boxer engine. I'm pretty stoked about it because we will have to change the spark plugs. This is gonna be a bit extreme for ourselves, because see that place, that's all our place where we can work to access the spark plugs. So yeah, it will be fun. We also do a little service around, change the coolant, change the oil, changed all the filters, and I think that's all for today. I think that's all for this season, because the proof of the services, the last service was at 154,000, so it's a bit overdue because it has 174,000 now, but we will solve that and it will be all right. Right now it runs fine. We have a check engine light because Subi life, why not? The problem is only the lambda sensor. We will solve that later as well. It has got new brakes on the front, not that bad brakes on the back. Original Subaru rims and real good Continental tires. Let's go to the inside of the car. Yep. Bing and Flop stays here. For the inside of the car, as you see. Sorry, baby. For the inside of a car, it's real clean. So all the steering wheel and the gear shift and even the handbrake lever is perfectly mint condition. No scratches all over the window buttons, and it's all clean. See ya, Bela. So yeah, that's all for the inside. You can come around and see that it has a pretty big trunk for my understanding as a small car like this, because it's a mid-size car, as the big men say that. Yep. We've got the tow bar, the tow hook. It's really nice. The whole exhaust system is nearly brand new. I have seen that underneath the car. And it's original Subaru. Everything is original Subaru in this car. And it's funny because the owner who had this in Austria, because it's from Austria, it's not a Hungarian car, took it to the same place where he bought it in 2007. Every services. So yeah, it's a nice car. Looks all right, drives all right. So we will tidy up a little bit, have the service done, and I hope this will serve us well. So yeah, I think that's all for today's episode. We have bought this beauty. I'm really happy to have a car like this, because I didn't have any newer car like this. So yeah, I'm pretty excited to work on it, and later we will see what we can do with this car, what type of content we can do with this car. I already know that I really want a roof box for the car and some tint for the windows. So yeah, leave a comment, like and subscribe, and have a nice day, guys. Cheers.